C2.3.2 Graphite. Graphite is just one of those amazing structures and substances. It's used as a lubricant, it's also used in pencils, and it's also used as in electronic components because of its properties. In graphite, each carbon atom forms 3 covalent bonds between other carbon atoms. They form hexagonal rings, and those hexagonal rings connect together in a layer. And between the layers, there are weak intermolecular forces. No bonds between the layers. The bonds are between the atoms within the layer, but between layers, there's weak intermolecular forces. Now, these forces can easily be overcome, and because they can be overcome, the layers can slide over each other, which makes it really useful as a lubricant. Also, when you apply a bit of force, when you're writing with a pencil, it's the layers between the forces between the layers that you are overcoming when you write. This means the properties of graphite are as follows. They have high melting points, just like diamond. Those 3 strong covalent bonds require a large amount of energy to break, so they have a really high melting point. Graphite can conduct electricity because the delocalized electrons can move through the layers from outer shell to outer shell through this structure, which causes them to be able to conduct electricity. They can carry a charge through the structure. And finally, because the layers can slide over each other, graphite is a really good lubricant. So for instance, in car engines, if you use graphite, it'll stop the moving parts rubbing against each other and causing damage. Make sure you know all those things about graphite, and make sure you revise that in particular, because it's going to come up in some sort of context, the structure and the properties of graphite.